Yo, hi. Wait, let me start up Godot. I fiddled with my mic a bit. I don't know how's the audio. Too loud or fine or whatever. Okay, so what I am planning to do now, or yeah, probably should get finished now or today, is a like debug add-on, cause I've got this file here, this autoload. Called debug constants or development constants, which controls like if the enemies navigate or if audio is playing or if the not yet implemented main menu will show and stuff like that. This is just some debugging stuff. So don't worry about that. But I want to make this into a panel essentially, because I don't want to go into this stupid script every time I want to change a value. So for example, by the way, this is just a small personal thing I'm working on, just a top-down shooter. So for example, you see right now the enemies are moving. Okay, now they are not, because that's a bug. If you like play this again, you see they're gonna move eventually. And sometimes that can be bad, because they get in your way, so you can set this to false. Then they won't be active anymore. I hope so. I just recently changed the logic behind this a bit. Behind the enemy. Looks like it works. And yeah, so they don't walk around anymore. The colored folders in my file system, so I'm on 4.2, the release candidate version 1. That's a 4.2 thing. So you have to download the latest development version. And then you just right click, go to set folder color, and choose from one of these colors essentially. That's probably the best editor feature in 4.2, to be honest. The whole file system is so much more readable when it's colored. Hi Mo. So yeah, let's make that add-on. So I've done a few add-ons before, non very advanced stuff. So let's create a new plugin. Oh yeah, and also why I want this is because if I go, currently I'm using this visible collision shapes flag in the editor for all of my debug shapes. So if I enable this, not only the collision shapes will become visible, but also some debug stuff. Like, you know, for example, these are the points where the enemies go to. And this is when I shoot, like, you see the ray that's fired and the intersection point. Let me... I don't have any other stuff, I think. Oh yeah, these labels here, they show the current state of the enemy. Right now all of them are in roam state, but their navigation is disabled. But I want to make this essentially into a custom panel, because, you know, I could hijack this menu here and put some extra options into here, but I've talked to a few people on the Godot Discord, and they were like, it could be complicated, because, you know, the path could change and stuff, and like there's no method to get this panel. You would have to get it by node path and maybe iterate over all of the nodes in the editor. So I'm just gonna drop in a like small panel on the bottom right of the editor. So let's create a new plugin. I don't know, call this debug panel. A small, who knows? Nobody needs a description. Author SAS version 0. Sure, let's create this. Perfect. And now let's pull up the Godot editor panel plugin. The documentation, because I need to look this up every time, because I can't remember it for the life of mine. So inspector plugins, is that what I'm searching for? Probably not. Main screen plugins, I guess so. Maybe here, who knows? Oh yeah, this one, a docked plugin. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, right, I remember, I think. So we need a constant, right? The dock. So let's wait, there's no scene, right? Yep. So let's make a new user interface scene. Debug panel root. Save this, add-ons, debug panel, this covers the whole screen. Let's just put a button there, just so we can like verify it working, that it works. Hello. Perfect. So let's go back into our panel script, and we need a reference to the thing here. Oh, I need an add-on. There's this really useful plugin that lets you easily disable plugins in the editor. Is it this one? I'm not sure. Oh yeah. This thing is like, holy shit, it's so fucking useful. Probably have to restart the editor though. What are you making though? Wait, let me explain once the editor has restarted. I don't know why this is taking so long to import. By the way, is my audio levels okay? Am I too loud? Too silent? I don't know, I changed a few audio settings. Oh, you mean what I'm making, like the project I'm making, or the add-on I'm trying to make now? It's good? Okay, perfect. I think Godot just crashed. Oh no, it didn't. Or did it? Wait. It did, I guess. Oh yeah, successfully installed. Yep, and now I can select this and just reload it here perfectly. Perfect. The project, it's just a top-down shooter I'm working on. I don't know where I'm gonna take this. Just wanted to make a top-down controller, and yeah, I expanded on it. Now there are enemies, they can move if I enable them. This is gonna be easy when I finish the add-on. Just set their navigation to true, and now they will go to a random point, or to a random one out of a few points I defined. And yeah, right now they will stay there, because there's a bug currently that I need to fix, where they won't walk to another point once they reached one. And yeah, what I'm trying to do with the add-on is have a simple panel down here, where I can, if I go to a debug and enable visible collision shapes, I have a bunch of debug stuff I'm drawing. Not only collision shapes, but you also see like ray casts, and these blue circles here, or spheres, are the point where the raycast hit, and you see these like things here, the blue box with the red thing inside. This is a point where an enemy can go to if they're roaming around. You see, this enemy just went there. Yeah, so all of this stuff shows up, and I don't want to go into a file each time and change these debug things. I want to have a panel down here to enable and disable them. And yeah, that's what I'm making essentially. So let's look at the docs again. Oh yeah, enter and exit tree. Okay. Enter tree, pass, and then thank you, Hearthstone. So we need to. Oh yeah, right. We need to panel. It's a control node, I think. So let's do panel is equal to debug panel dot instantiate, and then we want to add control to doc, right? Wait, does this? Yeah, this extends editor plugin. Add control to doc. To doc. Wait. Where does this go then? Okay, I think that's the right method. Control to doc. To a specific doc slot. Yeah, right. That's the one I was searching for. So we need a slot left, slot right, bottom right. Then what do we need to? Why? We need to pass an icon. Oh yeah, right. We need to pass in the node like this. And if I refresh, okay, yeah. Though I want right, left, right. Is that not a constant? Slot right, bottom left. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, right. I'm a big dum-dum. Oh yeah, and I need to on exit I need to do panel dot q, no, not q reader, q free. And do I need to remove it? Oh yeah, to remove it from the editor. Do I only need to pass in the control? Oh, I only have to pass in the control. That's nice. So let's know what project settings disable this and reload the current project. Okay, perfect. So we're rid of that panel there. And now let's try. Perfect. Okay, yeah. So this is working, and now we have like a panel we can drag around, put wherever we want. I want it to be here specifically. And now we need to build the panel, right? So let's get rid of the button, add a VBox container. Wait, what if I set this to cover the whole screen? How does this behave in the end? Okay, so it's automatically resized. Perfect. So let me think. We need an HBox container and a checkbox. Yep. And a label. And in this label we're gonna, there's gonna go the debug option description. Perfect. Now if I reload this. Okay, perfect. So yeah, the UI is like done. Now I need to decide if I wanna make this in my constants. I have a function that goes. Oh, checkbox has a text property. Okay. Wait. Oh my gosh, yeah. Thank you. Debug option. Yep. Okay, perfect. So in my debug, in my constants, gosh, I can't type. In my constants, I have this function which loops over every constant in this development constants autoload. This is an autoload in my project, by the way, and I was thinking for every constant just add a checkbox with the text or something. That should work probably. So okay, but wait, let's do the Godot manager thing. Debug panel. How do you call this? Creator debug panel populator, because you know this populates the thing. Then let's have a variable here. Wait, let me check something. We need the function to get all the constants. Does that need a script? I think so. Constant map is get script. Okay, so we need to call this on a script. Perfect. That makes life a lot easier. Export var script. Debug constant script of type script, and then we drag in our def constants. Perfect. And then in the enter tree function, we get the constants basically. So constant map Does that have a type though? Yeah, it's a dictionary, okay. A dictionary is equal to debug constant script dot get script constant map. Then just for fun, let's try printing this. So just that we see that it works. Which it doesn't. Oh, right. This needs to be a tool script. Yep. Okay. Perfect. Works. So now, how do I iterate over this? Let's just copy this over. Plonk this into here. Wait, let me drink some tea. I deleted the stream because I think I leaked something in there that I don't want people to see. But this one will be staying up. I'm even thinking about like editing this into a video, because you know this probably ain't gonna take that long. And yeah, then I have a video ready. So for constant map, oh fuck yeah, in constant map dot keys, we need to export another variable. Oh yeah, we don't need that. Thank you so much, Dark Messiah, for the telling me that the checkbox has a text option, text property. Makes it so much easier. So we need a reference to our panel VBox container, which is a VBox container, of course. And let's set that. And we want to add a for don't need that constant value. Yep. We wait. Can I? What the hell? Why am I doing? What the fuck am I doing here? Why am I doing get constant key? Constant key is the thing, right? But why am I getting this? What the fuck? Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, okay. That's actually like not that dumb. So that's for every get rid of. Oh, don't need to get rid of that checkbox. For every constant key, let's add a checkbox of type checkbox is equal to checkbox.new, and then checkbox.text is equal to constant key. And then let's do, first of all, let's comment this out. Let's do panel VBox container add child, and then we add the checkbox as a child. Yep. Holy shit, that was easy. My god, I didn't, when I had this idea for this plugin, I was thinking this, wow, this is gonna be hard, but like, honestly, this is so fucking easy. Yep, it works. Just be like 10,000% sure. Let's add a variable hello, a constant, sorry, hello world of type int. Yep, and if I remove this, yep, perfect. Oh yeah, right. I probably need a square container. Wait, let's comment this out. Do I though? Or does Godot handle that automatically? Let me just put a bunch of constants here, a bunch of checkboxes. Why aren't they showing up? What the fuck, Godot? Is it because I'm missing a scroll container? Probably, right? Add a scroll container. Plonk that here. And duplicate this a whole bunch of times. Why isn't that showing up? Wait. To work with a single... Oh, right. I'm a dum-dum. Need to put this here, this here. I'm not like... Yeah, scroll container, VBUX container. That's what I thought. I'm not that good at making UI in Godot, if you haven't noticed. Why isn't this showing up though? What the fuck, Godot? Oh, does this need to be set to cover the whole screen? Oh yeah, there. Perfect. So let's... Oh yeah, right, Mo, I didn't save it. But anyway, I don't think Godot automatically adds a scroll bar. That would be stupid. Because you know, you could have stuff laying around here that you don't want people to see. And if Godot then goes ahead and plonks in a random scroll bar, could be like... could be a dumb thing, depending. So, just manually add one. Okay, so... Okay, now... I'm thinking... How do I... Because, you know, the, like, the enemy, let me show you my... Oh, I have to open up here. My enemy, in the roam state, it checks if in the def constant autoload the enemy's navigation active constant is. If it's false, it will return. Thinking if I should leave it like this and just update the constants. Huh. This is kind of tricky because I would have to go in there and change the script basically. Huh, crap. Oh fuck, I didn't think about this. How do I actually update the constant? Huh, probably have to change this to variables then. I mean, that sucks, but I guess if I want to, does anybody know if I want to update a variable in a script? Oh, it says script, right? I can't really update the can I though? I probably can, right? Let me try something. So, sorry for bumping my mic all the time, by the way. Let's add a new note. Yeah, resources probably. But I was thinking about, you know, if I check if we are currently running the game and then update the variables in the autoload. That should work, right? Because then I don't have to do like a bunch of things with resources and passing them around and stupid stuff like that. So let's call this value setter. Make this not a tool script actually. And then on enter tree we want to... Wait, we don't have to check if this is actually running in the game and not in the editor. So that's in debug. Oh, I can use the same approach probably. Yeah, I can use pretty much the same approach. I get the script. Can I get a script on devconstants.get script? I can, right? Let me just check, because otherwise why is this not working? Uh-oh. Panel VBUX container not declared in the current scope. What? What the hell? Why did I break it? Oh god. Oh, yeah, right. Because these are no longer constants. So this essentially won't return anything. And why? Get... fuck, I need to get all of the variables. Is there a function for that? Godot get every variable for from a script. Get script property list. Okay. So let's just print debug diacons get script property list. What does that? Why the hell? Name, yeah, sure. Class name. This is the path, right? Yeah, it is. Wait, so I get a new dictionary per variable. Okay, this is interesting. Doesn't necessarily make it easier though. So this is the dictionary we are getting. So we do get script property list. What's this? A typed array of dictionary, okay. So property list, and then for property of type dictionary in property list, right? We do how do I skip the first one? Wait, let me think. Probably very easy. Let's just make an index. Index. Spell it right. And index plus equals 1. I hate that you can't do plus plus in GD script, but gotta work with what you have, right? So we do index, and then we check if the index is bigger than 1. Or let's do it the other way around. If that's not the case, then not connect, continue to the next iteration. And so now we want to get the name. How did I call it in the old implementation? Oh yeah, I can just do create a new checkbox and comment this and this as well, and then dot text is equal to property, and we want to get name. Okay, let's try this. Save and oh fuck. Are these errors new? They are, right? No, they are not. Shit. Oh, I'm so amazingly stupid sometimes. Of course I have to add them as a child, although that does not fix our issue apparently. Save this, reload. Why the hell? You know what, let's just skip the whole index part. Okay, now it works, so there's something stupid wrong with the index. So for each iteration we increase the index by 1. And if the index is by CMO, if the index is below 1, below 2, I know, I'm really stupid at the moment, I know. If the index is not... Why am I struggling with this so much? Holy crap. So if the index shit, I can't think at the moment. If the index is not 1, maybe? That's gonna give us, if we set this to 1, then reload the whole thing, or set it to 0 and check if it's not 0. Oh no, because if it's not 1. Okay, but I'm getting the like, if there's a not missing. Okay, now it's working, right? We only have 3 constants here. Yep, perfect. Okay, sorry. Let's add a comment so future me is not confused by this. Index for skipping. Oh yeah. Thank you, Dark Messiah. Oh my god. Holy crap. It amazes me how dumb I am from time to time. Right, expected conditional. What if? Oh right, that is equal to 1, and now this should work just fine. Yep. Okay. Index for skipping. Script description, which is first element in get script property list. Okay. So why do we have an error here? Okay, we don't. Perfect. So get rid of this, get rid of this. And now, what was I trying? First of all, a sip of tea. Sorry, you can hear me drink. Wait, let me mute myself. Okay. Now, what was I trying? Oh yeah, right. Setting the, so let's just copy all of this over and get rid of this line. Property list not declared in the current scope. Oh yeah, that's code. We need to get property list is an array, a dov type dictionary, right? So we do script.get get then we don't wanna and then we need to iterate over every child of the VBox container and get its value. Okay, so we do just comment. Oh no, we need the stupid index thing here. Get rid of this. And then wait, we start the index at 0. Get children returns an array. Okay, perfect. So we need a array of the checkboxes. What type of checkbox? And that's equal to is equal to this. Let me just set it before I. Okay, Godot does not let me get children. No, wait, internal ones. Are these children? Oh no, justify specifically add them that way. So, nope. Why array node can't be assigned to checkboxes array of node, right? So returns an array of node. Okay, perfect. So let's refresh. No errors or stuff like that. Perfect. So we need to in mouse that's stupid auto in def constants. We need to set, and then what we want to set is, first of all, we need to get the current checkbox. Current checkbox of type checkbox is equal to checkboxes at the index y. Oh yeah, stupid autocomplete. And then we need to set the current checkpoint, current checkbox dot name to set requires 2 arguments, right? To value, which is current checkbox dot how do they call that property? Wait, is it just button pressed? Oh, okay, that's nice. So we need to set this to button pressed. Why the hell am I not getting any autocompletes? Delay. Let's go to the I mean, it's already at the lowest it can be. I don't know. Let's just try. If I... First of all, let's just restart the project. Just to be like absolutely sure. And let's run the project. Okay, no crashes. If I set enemies ineffective, will they move? Holy shit, it works. And now we just need to know what... I mean, we can like set the button press status. Yep, we can set that, probably, somehow. So let's do... Oh right, yeah. I always skipped the 0 index. You're right. So that's probably like if I just subtract 1, right? That should do the trick. Because now we're here. This is index 2. No, this is index 1, and we want it to be index 1 because in 0, because in the array it's index 0. But wait, why did that Oh, let's set this to false. Let's see if it works. Let's just hope. Please move, come on. Could you please move? Crap, you're right. And do index. I mean... Let's just print the current checkpoint dot text. Let's just print the text property, right? That's how they call it. Text, yep. Just print the text property. Yep. Okay, Godot. Why isn't this even firing? It's like not even executed, shit. This isn't, the whole method isn't. If I do this in the ready function, will it work now? What the hell? Holy crap, I probably need to... Let's hope this fixes it. Nope, did not. Because you know this runs this does not run in the editor. This runs in the final game, because this is not a tool script. And it extends Node. Why the oh crap. I know why. Add-ons are not loaded in the game, right? So phew, how do I yeah, probably gonna go with if I do resources and then save this stupid thing somewhere and then load it in game. That's probably gonna work, right? Sorry for that stupid sound. It's when I move my microphone arm. Think you can hear it quite clearly on the screen. Yeah, right on the stream. So, oh shit. Create a new folder. Saved. You know what? Even though they are not constants anymore, constants. Just call them constants. Who cares? Holy shit, that was loud. Why is the music so loud so suddenly? Oh gosh, now I have to go and save stuff, which to be honest I never did. Never saved data. Uh-oh, this is more complicated than I thought. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Dark Messiah. But I really didn't think I had to research how to save and load stuff from disk or from the project today. Oh. Is there any function that gets called as soon as I launch the game, basically? Or could I somehow get a callback or somehow get if the game launched? Because then I can I can just set the values in the autoload when the game launches, you know? Because the editor plugin still stays active, right? Right? I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean, the tool script probably stays active. Let's just find out. And the process, let's just print. Hello, I'm still active. Reload the whole thing. Yep, run the game. Yeah, yep, okay. So if I somehow could get if the game, not this Firefox instance, I want. Wait, did I close? Oh yeah. Godot get if game launched. No, not exported. Is there any callback? Run project, any signal started? Editor debugger session. Is that what I'm looking for? When a remote instance is attached to the session, a class to interact with the editor debugger. Cannot be directly instantiated. Yeah. Editor debugger plugin. That's not really what we're doing. Active. Okay, you know what? Let's just try the whole resources thing. So let's comment this out. Alt method does not work. Yep. And then this is the populator. I'm a stupid human being. Let's comment this one out. And all method does not work. So let's call this value saver. Rename the script as well, because you know, gotta keep stuff organized. Value saver. Value saver. The script, right? Value saver. Yep. You know what? Close other tabs. And so now we need to have a constant, a path. Save path. I have no idea how to save resources to disk, by the way, so this is gonna be interesting. Save path, which is save. Is there a file path? No, it's probably just a string, right? Saved constant resource. Let's make super sure it's clear that we only want to ever have one resource there. We need a... Should probably clear this up first. This whole thing is getting pretty messy. Let's create a folder. Managers. Handlers. Throw this and this into here. And create a new folder, custom resources. I mean, that wouldn't be how I normally structure my game, but it's just a shitty add-on I'm spending way too much time on, so who cares? Let's call this saved constants, and let's make this extend a resource and give it a class name of saved constants. So we need a variable constant. Oh, I heard something that the resource saver does only save exported variables when I was researching for the Godot 4.2 video. So let's export this variable and then call it constant map, which is a yeah, make it a dictionary. Okay, that's pretty much everything. Now if I create a new resource, constant, save constants, yep. Pretty dumb name, but just gonna stick with it. And now we need to... I mean, we can kind of recycle the old code here. Also, this is not meant to be documentation. We just... when do we save? We need a callback to save. So we do on enter tree. Oh crap, we need to in our value setter, or in our panel populator, I mean, we need to create a function called check constant changed, which is a weird function by itself, but yeah. How's the checkbox? Please tell me it has a signal for when it's enabled or disabled. It does not? Come on. it's probably in the button class, right? Okay, and then for the checkbox dot pressed. I mean, yeah. When does pressed emit? Is toggled or pressed? Okay. Oh yeah, right. I don't need to get the state. I just need to get if something changed, and then I just resave everything. Press.connect and connect it to this lovely method. And let's create a new signal and call this constants changed, and give it a name that's close to a variable we have in our script to make it extra confusing when I have to debug this later. And then let's get a reference to our value saver, which is a node. I'm a dumb. We need to get a reference, not to itself, we get a reference to our debug panel populator, as I have called it. Then we need, why isn't that after function declaration? Oh sure, get a pass. Then panel populator, and then on enter tree constant, we need any function, save constant map, which we connect the signal to. So debug panel populator dot connect, and we want to connect it to here, and we want to connect the why is there an underscore? It's not like private signals are a thing like this, and this needs to be in a tool script, and then we just do a hi there, how are you doing? How are you doing? Reload this. Why? Oh, we need to constants change dot emit, right? Yep, perfect, works like a charm. And then we just need to save it. How do I do that? I have no idea. Godot resource. I heard that there's a resource saver class in Godot, but I've never used it. A singleton for saving resources to the file system. Okay, sure. To text base, yeah. How do I use this though? Has anyone here ever used this? Registers. Oh god, I have to do some stuff with registering it. Holy crap. Registers a new resource format saver. The resource saver will use the resource format saver as described. Gosh, I need... What's a resource format saver? Godot, how to easily, is that even a word? To save a resource. Saving your resource, so, oh god. Oh, do I have to? Or can I just... Oh, this is probably just if I want to have a custom file type. You know, let's just try resource saver. Do I need to create an instance of it? Probably, right? Let's do dot save. What resource? So, yo. If we need to create it, func create constant map, we need to create that first, and that returns a def constants. How did I call that stupid resource? Saved constants. Constant map resource. Let's just add a resource at the end, just to make it like super clear. We need this to be a constant map resource, and then we do var constant of is a constant map resource is a constant map resource dot new. And then we want to do constant map dot constant map. That's the property, right? And this is our constant map resource. Not to be confused with our normal constant map, which is just a... Can I just save the dictionary? Is a dictionary a resource? No, right? It's an inbuilt data structure, blah blah blah. So I need to do a resource basically. So let's copy over our good old iterating over every checkbox code here. Uncomment it. Honestly, this can be one line. Like this. And then... Oh yeah, it's uncommented, this one, of course, Godot. And then for property and property list. But we want to go for... Don't need the script. Don't need the property list. We need the checkboxes. For checkbox of type checkbox in checkboxes. No index skipping or some bullshit like that. And then we first of all fix the name of this. We do checkbox dot button press. Oh no, we need to create constant map. Gosh, I hate. How do I create a new key for this dictionary? I think it's written down in an example here. Add blue as a key and okay. Holy shit, I don't want to copy all of this. I just want... So we do... We do key and then value, okay. Okay. So as our key we want to use checkbox.text, and as our value we want to use checkbox.pressed. Why is that giving me an error? Checkbox not declared in the current scope. Oh right, because I'm an idiot again. And this is called button pressed. Right, yep, right, and this is called text, perfect. And then at the end of this, we want to return. First of all, we want to get rid of this because it triggers me. We want to return our constant map. Why? I'm a dumb. We want to return a dictionary here. No, actually, I was right. So we don't need this. We need this. We don't need this. Right, we can just directly on the constant map resource. We're on the constant map. We can, yep, and then we return this constant map resource. Do we need this? Why is there? And then we save what we get from create constant map to the path of save path. And why are there flags? Flags. Okay. It's not saving. Why the heck is it not saving? Is this a global constant? A singleton? Huh, so I don't need to create a new one or stuff. Or something. Wait, what does our little guide here say? Oh, it returns a result. which is base string or what? Oh, it's one of those. So it's, I don't know. Let's just leave it untyped for now. And then we assert if this is if result to, okay. Assertion failed. We want to print result. What is result equal to? Wow, Godot, come on. Yeah, assertion failed, right? But come on. Print result. I mean, assert is not like return or something. Oh. It is, kinda, I guess. So what's error code 15? Oh, nice. Unrecognized error. Huh. Cool. File unrecognized. But why? Search for it. Needs what the fuck? The file needs .godot or .binary extension to work. What the hell? Is this closed? Yeah. I mean, there's only a single save. Maybe I need to flag it somehow. Wants a bit field, right? The save method. Yep, crap. That's number. Oh god. I'm kinda lost at the moment, to be honest. We're returning a constant map resource here. And we're saving this at our save path. And we're still getting error of 15. Oh. Need a path to a file. Okay, wait, let me... Is that mentioned in the documentation? Path. Huh, it's kinda not to disk. Who cares? So, I mean, if I create a... If I create a new resource here and make it a state, a constant map resource, I could just call it a new resource for now, and then plonk that into here. Will it work? Error code 0. Okay. Is that the... Oh yeah. That's like probably... Yeah, okay. Perfect. Holy shit, thank you. I would have sat here for 30 hours straight. Or a few hours more at least. Debugging this. Okay, so now I only need to load this. Just to be sure. Let's, before we return here, let's just print this out one time. Oh yeah, dot constant map. We want to print out the constant map. Enemies active is true. Play audio is false and main menu is also false. Yep. Okay, perfect. So now in our the constants thing here, right? We want to... This can stay. I mean, this print still prints. It does not. Because, yeah. We need to get our code from here and replace that. So we don't wanna do this nor this. But we wanna property list. Like this. Constant key. Property set to maybe this will work now. Nope. Why the hell are we printing out? Oh. Huh? Wait, we're getting the name, right? So we want to get on ourself the constant. Why the heck is it printing the... Oh, okay, yep, yep, yep. Yep. Okay, perfect. So this is working again. Nice. And then we want to set the let's, you know what, let's split this up into methods. Print debug constant information, and let's plunk all of that into here and call this in the ready function. And now we wanna, but first we want to load debug constants in values from disk, and we want to call this first, and then wait, I gotta go to the toilet for, not for any duration. I gotta go to the toilet. Wow. I'm back. Hi. Okay, so where were we? We were loading this thing from disk. So for real, let's define a real constant, and we need the path to the resource. Let's call this constant map. I mean, preloading this ain't gonna allow us. Do I want to change this at runtime? Probably not. So let's do for constant in of type dictionary. No, what? How do I iterate over every entry of a dictionary, over every key of a dictionary? Keys, okay. For constant in constant map dot get dot constant map dot get keys, I think. Dictionary. Oh, only keys. Okay, so we get the keys and iterate over everyone. And then we want to set, and we want to set constant wait. Do I make another for loop? Because you know, now we got to just set all of these variables. Oh, we're just getting the keys. Okay, yeah. Using right style code. What do you mean with right style code? And oh yeah, also high. Okay, then we want in. Let's just cache the constants, which is a dictionary, is equal to our constant map here, and then in constants dot get keys set, and we want to set to. Oh no, we're really iterating over every key here, right? So you want to set the key to constants, and we want to get the key. Oh yeah, right. Yeah. I mean, let me see if I find the GD script style guide or reference. What do you style guide probably? Yeah. I mean, I just love cleanish code. I mean, real production code gets messy eventually. Like, you can't really combat that. But I try to keep it like clean and readable. Cause I'm gonna get back to this eventually for sure. And then I like need to understand this, even though this is like not 100% clean code, because you know, getting used to live coding and talking while everything you say is streamed to the internet is kind of weird. So this isn't like the cleanest code probably, but I hope I can understand this in 2 months or even a week or 2 years. I don't know when I'm gonna reuse this. Like, this seems like a system I'm gonna reuse. Oh, by the way, we need to set the minimum height here so that stuff like this does not happen. Or do we? I mean, we have to calculate the minimum height depending on how many constants there are. We'll see. So we basically set the key, which is the thing here, the name of the variable, to we get on constants the key. Yeah, right. So let's try. Everything is play audio. Let's set this to false, and we're not having audio here, right? Yep, perfect. Now let's try. Please, come on, please work. Holy crap. It's working. Please move, come on, yep. And if I uncheck this, just stand still, come on, I'm pointing a gun at you. Yep. Yep. It's working, holy crap. Nice. Nice, like, okay, we're finished. Let's, know what, let's create a new problem basically with the minimum height. Why, I mean, why not? And why is, oh, it updates the scene or something? Why is this like showing up here? Can I somehow show the internal children? Because I'm sure they're, oh yeah, I could get the editor debug plugin, but I ain't gonna do that. Okay, so first of all, let's make sure that if we add another checkbox, because I don't want the text to overflow, and you know what, let's just get the ipsum, or however you really pronounce that in English, or ipsum generator. Let's plonk this into here. And okay, text behavior. Trim characters. No, I don't want that. I want to trim. Yep, like that. Cause now, wait, I can still. I don't want them to. Oh, is it just cause I'm? I mean, for real constants are not gonna have any new lines. So. Yep. Okay, this is working. Oh, so what did I change? We need to change text overrun behavior. Okay, so let's go back into our populator and then do checkbox text overrun behavior is equal to, what was that again? Let me see. Ellipsis. Okay, perfect. Why have all the checkboxes disappeared? Uh-oh, what have I done? Is it cause they... why the hell? Ah, come on, Godot. Where's the new line? There it is. I mean, why is the... if I now say reload this, now it works. And now there's a big fucking score bar here. Text behavior, let's set this to this. Reload the plugin, and now everything is gone again. Nice. Oh gosh. Another thing to work out. Maybe if I nail clip text. Nope. Sorry again, I had to move my mic. That was the weird sound you heard. Know what, we probably are never gonna have a constant. Let's just put a simple document, a comment here. Set text behavior to eclipses, or however that's called again. I don't know if there ever is a constant to that. That's of which the name is too long for the panel. Godot gaming, yeah. Yeah, my debugger sends errors. First of all, these are like these are a bunch of class warnings because of delta and stuff. I need to fix them. Also, there's a bunch of stuff in my bullet hole manager, for example, or my gun, which I need to fix because I hate warnings and I hate errors, and these I can't get rid of for the life of mine. I can't. I want to like I'm doing a bunch of lookat stuff for the gun, for example, and for the bullet hole decals. Here you see, like they got the face the right, they got the face in the normal of the face the raycast hit. Yeah, the errors are from the plugin or add-on, however you want to call it, right? But these, if anyone knows how to fix lookat errors, please let me know. I mean, if I go to my player, I don't know where. Probably not in my player. Probably in my bloated weapon class. Let's search for look. Here's a lookat. Oh yeah, right. I'm doing this dumb check each time I do a lookat, cause I wanna make sure that I don't get error spam at least. And I think this did not help with the other lookat. It still occasionally gives errors. I don't know, but this is like essentially the same thing. That Godot checks before it performs the lookat, and if that's if this condition here, this one is if this condition is true, it plonks an error into your output. So I am essentially doing a whole bunch of math wasting CPU cycles because I don't want error spam. I hate error spam and I hate errors, but I can't get rid of them. Is the VBox container set to full rect? I think so. I checked, I think, but just make sure. I mean, like this and that. Okay, let's do the whole overflow thing again. Save, reload the project, and set us to text behavior ellipsis. Oh my gosh. For real? Wait, did that just fix everything? Yep, it did. Oh no, it did not. It did not, cause I removed this. So let me add this back in. Checkbox dot text overrun behavior is equal to trim ellipsis, I think. Yeah, same issue. Fuck. I mean, what if I ain't gonna bother with fixing this. Oh yeah. Right. I need. Oh, yeah. Checkbox dot minimum. How do I set this? Can I even set this? Set minimum. custom minimum size, that the property? Probably, right? Oh yeah, custom minimum size, okay. Let's set this to a vector. Gosh, so rarely work into the... So we want... Let's just go with 100. Reload. Oh, okay. 200. Okay. So this controls after when the whole thing is cut. Hooray, yeah, it works. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay, so I can get rid of this. And you know what, let's just make a constant out of this. Cons, checkbox, min, custom, min, size, which is a vector 2i, I think. So vector 2i and what do they have? 250 and 0? Okay, I mean this is gonna be converted anyway, so... Oh yeah, right, before I fiddle with the minimum size, I mean, let me just plonk this constant here so I don't forget, and then checkbox dot size flex horizontal, size expand fill. Wait, checkbox, size flex horizontal, size expand fill. To align the node with its start. Oh crap. Huh. I mean, this, I know what you're trying to do. This is like essentially the same as this here, right? And this. Maybe if I change the size flag of this and save. Wait, am I still applying the minimum size? No, I'm not. You know what? Let's comment this out and run with the minimum size thing for now. Yep. And now we need to wait. If I have a checkbox here, where's the size property of this thing? Layout, transform. And now, wait, right now the Y is 24. If I now add text to this, it's 31. Okay. And 24. Okay. So, if we at the end, let's just make a function calculate panel minimum size, and we return a vector 2, and let's add a to do clamp this. Wait, it's tea time. Okay, very refreshing. Okay, let's oh wait, fuck, I'm also recording. Let me just make sure I don't completely fill up my SSD. Okay, I'm not. Okay, perfect. because I want to make a like highlight video of, if you can call it that, out of this. So I'm recording so I can pull out the background music, because I'm having two audio channels, one for my mic and one for the desktop audio, and then I'm gonna pull out the desktop audio track in editing, and then I can throw in my own music. At least I hope that works. But I mean, it should. Why wouldn't it? So I'm not getting the children here. Wait. Oh yeah. Do I really need to pass in this? Yeah, I don't have to. So let's first get all of the checkboxes. And oh yeah, we need a... Wow, okay, because it's not returning a value, right. So, and then for checkbox of type, checkbox in checkboxes, we want to have a minimum size of type vector2. Oh yeah, the stylization from the dash and then the greater than or smaller than sign, I don't know. That I think is under editor. And then, oh yeah, under, if you go to editor settings, and then under interface editor, if you go to code font contextual lignatures, you just go to open type feature set. But I think if you use a custom font in the script editor, this may not work, but I'm not sure. So be aware if this does not do anything. Also, I think you need to restart the editor, or at least reopen a script or something. If this does not do anything, then maybe your font does not have OpenType feature sets or whatever they're called, you know? Yep. Okay, so we want to add the minimum size. Size dot x, y, yeah, is plus equal to checkbox dot size dot y. Then at the end we return, not texture button, we return this minimum size vector 2. Thank you, no problem. So we want to, at the end of the whole enter tree thing, we should really split all of this into a method. We call minimum get parent dot mini custom minimum size. Holy shit, get parent has autocompletes. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. And then we call calculate. Okay, so what do we do here? Here we set all of the properties. Let me get rid of this. I know I just said a few minutes ago I'm gonna keep it, but apparently I'm not. This is basically this is the function that actually populates create checkboxes from constants, and we want to return nothing. Copy all of this over and call this method. Right, this does not need to return anything, I guess. No. Let me see, have I... Okay, so apparently the minimum size does not work. Let me just reload the project to be absolutely sure. Yep. But with the empty lines removing thing on save, I had some issues, though that was in 4.0, like the 4.0 stable, the first version of Godot 4, which was the version was rough to say the least. So maybe these issues are resolved. And also, I kind of like my empty line at the end, at the bottom of the script. It looks better than this. Also, Godot re-adds this whenever I save. Oh wait, trailing white spaces. Oh yeah. Yeah, right. But I still had some issues with that, I think. Okay, so now why is my minimum size not working? Is this even the right property I'm setting? Oh, I'm getting tired. Custom minimum size. Why the hell? Let's print this property. First of all, let's print get parent, and then let's print all of this. Okay, so the minimum size is still 0. Why? For every checkbox in VBox, yeah, this is where we added to. For every child of that, so for every checkbox, practically speaking, we get the size property, and yeah, the size could be 0. I think it is not. Wait, let me add another checkbox, because I checked previously, and I think if I plonk this here, like you see, it's at the moment, if I can find the size property, the size is 24 pixels on the y-axis. If I add some text here, it's 31. I mean, we could just hard code this, but I don't know if that causes problems if I change the editor UI scale, you know? Oh, let's pull a debugging masterpiece and print this property. Why can't I? Oh yeah, gotta be in the for loop. Okay, yeah, it's actually 0. Why the hell? Okay. Then, you know what, let's just call this in the ready function, why not? Get rid of this and this. Indent this. Yep, it works. Okay, nice. Thank you, Dark Messiah. So let's add a comment up here. First of all, let's put Godot into full screen. Need to call this in the ready function because it's not possible to access the size property of a control node in enter tree. Okay, wait, I can put this here. Okay, so I think we're finished. If I now disable this, this goes away. There's our test thing here. And let's also make sure. Why was there a... Okay, I thought there was a warning sign. We remove every default value here, so I don't actually change it here. Because right now if I change this to true, it's not gonna update here. I mean, we could implement this, but I really want to do something else now and end the stream. So, just for testing purposes, var hello does hello is this thing on I'm a very large constant. Let's just reload this. Yep, it gets cut off. Okay. Yeah, there's a... Oh yeah, right. I made a to-do here to clamp this. Where am I calculating the maximum? Here, there's a to-do, clamp this. Let's just do this. So we need two constants. Should we add a minimum? Let's just add one for consistency. Minimum custom minimum size of vector2 is vector2.0. And then the... Why am I suddenly using minimum? Why am I using minimum here? Gotta use min, right? That's what we programmers do. And then let's clamp this spot between what value? 0 and... Oh, the maximum. Huh. So the maximum really... let's just use the y component in the end. Wait. Oh yeah. Let's clamp this. Currently it's 31 with 3 checkboxes, I think. This is old. Let's clamp this at 50, maybe 45. And then it's gonna yell. Oh no, it ain't gonna yell at me. So minimum size is equal to minimum dot clamp between this Control D. Not for me. It selects the Control Shift D. Oh yeah, right. Holy shit, that's so fucking useful. Thank you. Okay, so let's see if we didn't break anything. We did, right? We broke something. Uh-oh. Oh no, the test constant is still here. Oh no, it's... Why the hell? Clamp between... Oh. Haha. I'm a big dum-dum. We wanna clamp between dot y each time. Why is it clamp f? Oh yeah, if we're talking about editor shortcuts, one super useful one is Alt X to delete the line. If I do Alt X, the whole line disappears, which is way better than like marking this line, pressing backspace or delete or whatever. Cannot find property clamp on base float. It's clamp F, right? What? Float. Why the hell can I clamp a float? I can, I guess. Why the hell, Godot? Can I only clamp integers? Is that like a stupid Godot thing? I mean, just go. Right. Godot being Godot. Of course, you gotta do this and then pass in the value like this. Save, and now it still does not work. Shit. Why is it not working? I mean, we clamp between the minimum custom size dot y and the max custom minimum size dot y. This returns the value, and that gets assigned to the y value of this. Then we return this. Crap. Restart the editor again, just to be 100% sure. Nope. Wait, are my calculations just wrong in the first place, though? No, it's definitely the whole clamping thing. You know what? Maybe... Let's just print this, right? Print get parent dot custom minimum size. Reload the... Oh yeah, right, I'm still clamping. Let me remove the clamp. Save, reload. Oh, it's already Lamau. Let's do 250, 350 here. I mean, I can always change it. Then we need to re-enable clamping. Now everything should just work as it is supposed to. Yep. Okay, nice. So clamping works. Then we get rid of this print statements. There are actually a lot of print statements left over from debugging, I think. Are there though? No, they're not. Anyone in the whole assignment thing? Why is this set to null? Wait, may I move code with alt and arrows? That sounds like... Holy shit. That actually works. Oh my god. Like, I'm constantly trying to only use the keyboard in the code editor, because that's just more ergonomical and just easier. And that's like a whole new level of easiness. Is there a function to highlight a whole line though? Title editors, delete, duplicate, fold. Huh. Probably not. Yeah, big level up. Oh my gosh. Like I'm not. Normally I would do this to navigate the code editor, but I don't want you hearing that constantly, so I'm using my mouse at the moment. Okay, wait, there was one thing I wanted to fix, but I forgot. Oh yeah, the constants. Oh yeah, it's not typed, so it's a null. Yep. Let's just add this as a. Also, if a value is not typed, it will show up as null. And how did we name this stupid function? This one. Nope. There. Okay. So everything fixed. Let me just enable audio because I want to hear something. Yep, this works perfect. Let me get rid of this constant here. Oh, yeah, okay, I got to re-enable or disable and re-enable the plugin each time I add a new constant, but I guess that's doable. Because checking if there's a new constant, I mean, I know how to do it, but I really don't wanna, because like this thing is for my own use only, so I can live with doing project settings, plugins, and then just like, yep, there you go. And also there's this thing, but you know what, I'm gonna disable this now, because I don't like having this up here all the time. Way cleaner now. Okay, so yeah, I think we're done. Thanks everyone for watching. Join the Discord if you haven't already. And yeah, again, thanks for watching. Thanks Dark Messiah and Short Rest Vein. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. I hope so. For all of your input and help. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.